Hi, thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you uh, the benefits of why having a website optimized can be really useful as a tool for your business. So I'm going to be covering really simple tips. What would you need to do to compete with your main competitors? And I'm going to be showing you as well how does that look on the back end. So first things first, I have your name below here, and of course I see that you have a Google My Business profile, and of course you have a website. But if I go to Google and type HVAC, which I believe is one of your services in Brooklyn, we go type HVAC Brooklyn NY New York, and the first thing we're gonna see is this is sponsored by Google. You pay to be there. Then you have your traditional Google ads. And if you have a website and you decide to run Google Ads to see how much of a potential customer you can end up having, this is the quickest way you can do it. But it's very, very tricky because if you don't know what you're doing exactly on the deep end, you're gonna be wasting a lot of money not seeing the results that you are looking for. Next, we have the maps section, and like I was telling you before, being in this top 3 is very, very important because 67% of the people that do a Google search, they only go for the top 3 here and this top 3 over here. That means that they don't scroll down and even click on here more business. So if you're not here, most chances that it's more likely that you're not going to be here in the organic results. So let's go and see why these guys. We see that on organic results we have Yelp on number 1. Then we have the sub page as well. But let's take a look and see why these guys and why HVAC services inc.com are ranking number 2 pretty much. We have the website below here, and we can see that they have a lot of content, but my suggestion to you that if you're going to be trying to compete with these guys is to add at least twice the double of their content, especially on the homepage, and make sure that when you add content, it has to be original, it has to be relevant, and it has to include the keywords that you want to be found for. One of them would be HVAC Brooklyn NY, for example. And you can see that they have a lot going on, a lot of information. Same thing. They got all of this. So let's take a look and see the back end of their website, and you can see that they're being found for over 1,000 keywords, actually 1,200 keywords at least, and they have 730 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and this will give you the power so you can be found on Google. Think about this as a popularity contest. The more people that you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. And same thing applies here. So it's not about how many links you need to compete with them. It's the quality that these links have to be. Let's take a look and see the organic keywords that they're being found for. And I want to show you why it's so beneficial to be in that first page. For example, this one is kind of related to the one that we were talking about. So HVAC Repair Brooklyn, there's 200 searches a month, and because they're ranking number 5, they're getting 16 visits straight to their website. Those are 16 possible clients, leads. Let's take a look at this one over here, HVAC Repair Manhattan, 100 searches a month. They're ranking number 3, and they're getting another 14 visits to their website. You can see that these guys are targeting to a different sub-page. So they definitely know what they're doing. HVAC Brooklyn, the one that we were talking about, 200 searches a month. They're ranking number 2. They actually lost 2 spots, but they're getting 11. And you can add up all these keywords relevant to what they do, relevant to their services, relevant to the areas that they're covering, and same thing can be you. We can We can create a whole plan. You can create a whole plan on which areas you want to target based on the volume searches of each one of those keywords and, of course, the areas. And then you can start seeing the results, and you can use your website as a tool for you to get more to increase your business. Once again, my name is Alex. I don't want to take too much of your time, so if you have any questions, please let us know. If you think we can help you out, same thing, let us know right away. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.